here at one of the Home Depots that are near my home, and I definitely need some succulent therapy, so I'm coming to see what they have. So these are in front of the Home Depot, and they have some sedum with some weeds. And I think this is the Echeverria Prince. Yes, Echeverria Black Prince. And then this one is a Neon Breaker. And these are $4.48. These like medium, I would say. So yeah, these are like, okay, let's call them small, $4.48, and then these are medium, and these are the $7 ones. So we got some Kalanchoe. What is this one? Kalanchoe Brodex something. So this one is, oh, I have this one at home, yeah, in one of my planters. Well, that's good that I know the name. There it is. It's a Kalanchoe hybrid type. And this one is blue chocolate right here. And then this one is the Kalanchoe European. But they also call it Kalanchoe tomentosa. It looks similar to the panda one and the chocolate, but I guess it isn't. Unless they didn't name it that way. This is the one that I have in front of my house. Let's see the actual name. It is a Aptena cordifolia variegated. Oh, variegated red apple. That's the other name. Man, what happened to you? You're full of grass. What happened to these? I don't know why these full of grass. Anyways, let's see. Is this an ice plant? Let's see what this one is. Yeah, ice plant. Violet Sparkle. I like that one too. Oh, these are just full of weeds. Not that it's a big deal. Oh, this is the Succulents. The one that I just lost. But I have this one at home. I mean, I have another one that's beautiful. It reminds me like a little mini tree or a little mini bush because it has so many heads. I have this one at home too. Let's see what it's called. It's a Kalanchoe, I believe. Yeah, it's a Kalanchoe marmorata or wiper plant. And then this one is beautiful. I want this one, but I think I want it in a small pot. I really like it though. It's a Kalanchoe, and then the babies come here, and the babies are beautiful. This is the Kalanchoe Aurora Borealis. I know I'm not great at pronouncing those. And then I also have this one at home. Let's see. I don't see the name. I don't know if the tag fell, I guess. This one is so easy to root and propagate. Very, very easy. I mean, it's got roots always growing out of it. So it's very easy. I don't see the name, guys. So let's just go inside and see what they got. Now I am inside, and this section has looked the same already to me for quite a while. These don't have any names. I know the company never has names on them. So yeah, that's the chocolate the chocolate Kalanchoe I was talking about. But yeah, this section has looked the same for quite a while. So nothing interesting really. I mean, succulents are always interesting, but I mean nothing new. This one too. Then I don't know if they just didn't put out anything because, well, all their stuff is still here. This is pretty cool. I have people next to me talking. Sorry. Look at this planter, guys. Look at how well it's doing, how it has blown up. And this is Florida. And this is exposed to the sun and water. So let's see if we see any damage. Just some dead leaves, which is okay. Some leaves is okay. Look at that topsy-turvy, how good it looks. Everything looks pretty good here. These blue chopsticks, which I have, this type, this is a weed right here. Come on, weed. Okay. Look at me. Anyways, that one looks like maybe it got burned a little bit. I'm not sure. It looks like it. I love this plant. I want this succulent. It is so big, but they don't have it here. If the guy that sets this up was here, I'd be like, can I have that? There's water on the leaves, just sitting on the leaves. So this looks beautiful. Look at these beautiful roses. Okay, let's see. So let's see if I see anything different here. I see more Echeveria subtilis. I do, and this one is this one has a few babies right here. I mean this one right here, but they're struggling. See, when you see this and you know it's been raining and you go to shop at your Home Depot, you need to definitely 100% keep your receipt, because it could look good for a few days and then start rotting after that. So you need to be careful. So this is pretty much the same stuff that I've seen here. Also, the fret eyes. I would say the Echeveria subtilis is new, that they just put on in this section, because I didn't see it when I came here. And the fret eyes also, but I mean I did see it, but not before. See? And then this is a beauty right here. What happened? Okay. Look how pretty that is. I think I might have that in a smaller version. Does it have a name? This one that's $17. $17. It's holding up with the water. And it is a Echeveria Autumn Flame. That one. Thank you. And that's just a mixed planter. And let's see. I never seen this. This actually looks like this is Super Flower Mike Fuzzy Wuzzy. That is such a cute name, Fuzzy Wuzzy. I wonder what the flowers are like. I like how full it is. This is gonna go on my. I'm gonna think about this one, because I like how full it is and I like the name. Look at how big this. Oh, this poor Echeveria subtilis. No, this is the Echeveria metallica. Looks just like the subtilis. A lot like it, but it's struggling. Maybe I might see the slight difference. I don't know. Here's the big Kalanchoe, the wiper plant. This one's pretty too, very pretty. Let's see. It's the Kalanchoe Wendy. That's pretty. Kalanchoe Wendy. Ooh, this is one I don't have either, and it always flowers. And this one does super well in the heat. Very, very well. So I might think about this one too. So many plants to think about. This one is called Euphorbia Euphorbia Crown of Thorns. I thought that was a C. I thought it was a G. Okay, so those two are in my mind, definitely. And let me go check this section over here. Over here is usually where they have the $2.98 plant. Look at these arrangements. They're so beautiful. So, so pretty. Come here. Let's go over here and see. I get so excited, guys, I forget that I'm recording, so I forget to go slow. So forgive me, guys, if I went too quickly on some. That is no good. Very, very bad. That's Ghana right there. That's a pretty one back there, but I'm afraid that it might rot just the same way as the other ones. I can't really reach it. Let me try to reach it. Come on, that one over there. Let's see. How do you look? I mean, she looks fairly nice. I would have to depot her and let her dry. I mean, it's $3 and she looks beautiful. So I'm definitely gonna take this one. Okay, so I definitely want this one. Oh my gosh. I never thought to look underneath, guys. Look at this. And I think this is different. This is Gratipetalum pentandrum. Oh my gosh, but they might die. That's the problem. Come out. Look. They've gotten too much water. Wow, guys. So check underneath. I want this, but I'm really, really, really worried. This other one. Is it Fred Eyes also? Yeah, it's a Fred Eyes, but it doesn't look very pretty. It looks very stretched out. You know what? I think that this has been here, under here for a while. Not okay. Not okay. Wow, this is huge, but this can end up being a return, you know? I love plants like this, like the color, but it's such a risky, you know? I mean, I'll have to come back here and return it, but I hate doing the work. I hate taking it out, letting it dry, and then potting it, and then if I start to see it, you know, start to fall apart, it's annoying. Then I have to put it back, because you have to have your container, because how else can you prove that you bought it from here? So I have to put it back in the container and bring it back. Oh man. I'm gonna have to let Altman's plant know about this, because this is a pretty big waste. You know what frustrates me is that they take so long to get this big. This is over a year of growth. This is over a year of growth, and then when you just let it rot like that, I want it. I'm debating. This is a big debate. Look at that. You know what? Maybe another Home Depot might have it. I don't know. The chances of this rotting are really, really big. I'm gonna pass, guys. I can't believe I'm gonna pass, but I'm gonna pass. But I will let Altman's know about this. That this have been sitting under here for a while, probably. I'm pretty sure, because you can see how leggy those are. I'm pretty sure if this would have been out here, they probably would have been bought, because these are beautiful. And now they're just rotting there. Ugh. Such a waste, man. At least one or two up here. You know what? Come here, buddy. Put you up here. Get some sun and dry up a little bit. Oh, I didn't see these. I like these too. These probably could handle a little bit more water than the other ones. Because they are plumpy, but they're sturdy plants. So this probably could handle a lot more water. What's the name of this one? Oh, let me see. This is, Echeveria Sleepy. I like it. It's so cute. Get 3 of them. Oh, it's such a hard decision. Such a hard decision. Did I show you guys? This is the chroma, but this is a different type of chroma, because it has to be like a, I love it. It's flowering. Goodness. I might have to choose this one over the Echeveria Sleepy, even though I have it. Like, I have a type of chroma, no name, There's another one here. I know it's a different type. I know definitely. This is the Echeverria Chroma, but it's a hybrid. It's bright light, full sun. Really pretty. Look at this. Ow, I didn't even see this. See how I passed stuff up? This is called Aloe Rookie. I don't know what is that. And it is. I wonder if it's good with sun. Oh, I love the colors. So tempting. Goodness. Okay, my thinking pile. That's my thinking pile. Okay. I was gonna show you the name of this one because it's a small version of the one that I saw out there. It's Kalanchoe Marniers. Marnierina. Sorry. There it is. Kalanchoe something. So that's that. Okay. Let's make some decisions. This is gonna be my haul right now. So definitely I'm taking that one because that's $2.98. How can you pass that? And then I wish the tips were not messed up on this one. A lot of the tips are messed up, but it's so beautiful. I just don't like, these can easily change like their shade if you don't put it in the right spot or color. Bright light sun. Just have to go like, I don't know, somewhere on my front porch or somewhere. I think I'm gonna stick to these two. I like these, but my heart is not like, oh my gosh, you know? This one is though, but I'm not taking the chance because I don't know if I have to return my Fred Eyes, you know, because it lost a lot of leaves. So I'm still debating if I want to return it or not. Okie dokie guys, I'm gonna go ahead and close my video right now here. These are gonna be the ones I'm gonna purchase. I might do a potting video, I'm not 100% sure. Just want to let you guys know, thank you so much for watching. I 101% appreciate you guys. I just want to announce that YouTube finally approved my channel. I have met all the requirements and finally approved to monetize my videos. So that means I'll be earning some money, but it does take a long time. I think it's for every 1,000 views you get $2. So I just want to ask you guys to please share, because you know I am a stay-at-home mom, but I can use this income to do more giveaways because I won't feel as bad because, well, it's YouTube money, right? It's money that you guys help me earn so I can do giveaways. So please share my videos, like them, watch them, put them on play for background noise, whatever it is. And I completely appreciate you guys. Thank you so much, guys. You guys have a blessed day. Oh, I almost forgot. Also, when I reach 3,000, I'll be doing a giveaway. So my channel is climbing up there. It's, I think, at 2,500 something. So once I reach 3,000, I'm gonna do a giveaway again, and I'm gonna try to make this one a really nice one because I want to thank you guys. And I just want to thank you guys so much. You guys have a blessed day. Bye bye, guys.